Welcome. This is a video for um, today's assignment, government kids. It is the Supreme Court cases constitutional principles assignment. And I want to just quickly re-explain this. I felt like there were some questions, there was some confusion, okay? So here's how we get here. You go home. You scroll down to topic 1. Okay. We are going to be working through success criteria 3 today. So go ahead and click that. This is what you should see. Okay, this is the assignment. Your job is to pick one of these 4 pairs of Supreme Court cases. The first case that you see is the older of the cases. That means that case set precedence, which means a new decision was made. And so moving forward, all cases that were similar would refer back to this first precedent case. And it will look at that ruling to help it rule and it be kind of the same, okay? Then the second case is a more recent case that deals with some of the same issues. Oftentimes, that newer case is going to set a new precedence. Okay? So, like, for example, the Supreme Court set precedence with the Roe versus Wade because it legalized abortion. So moving forward, all cases that had to do with that automatically went back to, well, abortion is legal. Okay? Same with gay marriage. It set precedent, so then it legalized gay marriage. Okay, so after you pick which pairing you want to focus on, you click the link and it will take you to a case summary. Your job is to read the case summary. Soak it all in. Use the information you gained from that case summary reading and answer the 5 questions. What was the constitutional principle being considered? It is either individual rights, judicial review, checks and balances, separation of powers, what was another one? Federalism, popular sovereignty. So pick one of those. What did the court decide in the earlier case? So go back to this one. What was the decision in the earlier case? How did the court decide in the later case? Did it uphold the previous decision, the precedent that was set by the earlier decision? How did these court cases impact the interpretation of the constitutional principle you answered in question number 1? So if you're going to say judicial review, how did the court case use judicial review to interpret this case, to interpret what the ruling should be? And then finally, for each case, would you have made the same decision that the Supreme Court made? Why or why not? Explain your reasoning. So that's all you have to do, okay? That's it. And then so to post, you come on down here, you hit this link, and it will take you to this submission box where you can submit. All right. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. If you need more information than what is available in the link, please Google it, YouTube it. All of these cases are famous, and you should be able to find a lot of information on them. Okay? All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. Have an amazing break. Bye.